हजार बर्ग गिरे, लाख आंधियां उठी, वो फूल खिल के रहेंगे जो खिलने वाले हैं. Snehal, a dedicated teacher, meets Shubham, a spirited student. Their initial banter reflects a playful clash of worlds, setting the stage for an unexpected journey of self-discovery through art. As they navigate their differences, the power of expression through words emerges as a shared passion.
All right, class. Have you ever thought that why do we teach kids poetry from school? Think about it. And today we'll explore the beauty of poetry. But before that, I want you guys to tell me, what makes a poem resonate?
I don't know, ma'am. Maybe if it had a sick beat. Poetry needs to jam, right?
Beats. But let's not forget the depth of the words. Like Ghalib, whose couplets weave emotions into every line. दिल है नादान तुझे हुआ क्या है आखिर इस दर्द की दवा क्या है. What a way to capture longing.
Ghalib? Sounds ancient. Can he even drop bars like my favorite rappers?
Their banter hints at a generational divide but also at the potential for a deeper connection. Shubham recalls Ghalib's lines, Dil e nadan tujhe hua kya hai, aakhir is dard ki dawa kya hai, a reflection of his own struggles, connecting his hip-hop battles to the timeless themes of love and loss found in poetry. In these moments of tension, the seeds of understanding begin to sprout.
Okay. Mom, but what's so special about poetry? My rap tracks hit hard and they connect with real life.
And that's beautiful. But poetry isn't just about rhythm. It's about the soul. Like a ghazal, it captures pain and love with such delicacy. Consider Faiz, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत, expressing that deep yearning for connection.
But can poetry really express struggle like hip hop does? I mean, my verses are raw, they cut deep.
Just like in your raps, emotions in poetry are palpable. Think of how Kabhi Kabhi Lagta Hai Apna Bhi by Gulzar conveys the essence of feeling lost in one's own world. Your voice can echo as much as any poet's.
You're saying Ghalib could take on Eminem. Now that's a battle I would pay to see.
As the canteen buzzes around them, Shubham begins to see poetry as an avenue for truth. Faiz's lines, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरी महबूब न मांग, मैंने समझा था कि तू है तो दरख्ते शाह है हयात, तेरा गम है तो गमे दहर का झगड़ा क्या है, तेरी सूरत से है आलम में बहारों को सबात, तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. These lines stays in his head. He understands the art of expression that is of essence with both the art forms. He grapples with self-doubt but draws strength from the realization that both hip-hop and poetry stem from a shared emotional landscape.
You know, Shubham, poetry can express what we often can't say aloud. It's cathartic, like how you went in your rhymes.
I guess you have a point. But I still think rap hits harder. I mean, look at artists like Kendrick Lamar. He writes about his life, his struggle, and that's raw.
True, Kendrick's work is powerful. He channels pain into art. Just like how a poet like Akbar Allahabadi said, तुम्हारे हाथ की चूड़ियां कह गई, हम तो सिर्फ सुनते रहे. His words mean something, like glass against skin.
You know, that line hits different. It's like he's capturing a moment, a feeling. I can relate that to my lyrics when I write about the hustle.
Shubham, if you're so passionate about hip-hop, then why don't you perform?
That's something I wanted to share with you. I have my first open mic in a week, and I'm nervous about it.
In the school library, Shubham starts to connect the dots in his mind, highlighting the endless desires that drive both hip-hop and poetry. Their conversations reveal a shared human experience through art, creating a bridge between their seemingly distinct worlds. A question lingers in the air. Will Shubham be able to perform?
What if I fail? Mom, what if they see my lyrics as just noise?
Every artist fears rejection. But remember, whether in a rap or a shairi, it's about speaking your truth. Your pain, your joy, these are your greatest assets. There's a multitude of desires waiting to be expressed.
तू शाही है परवाज है काम तेरा तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं. Every setback's a lesson. Turn pain into power. Rise up from the ashes and bloom like a flower.
Got dreams in my pocket, I'm ready to fly. Every step that I take, I'm reaching the sky. Life's a hard battle, but I'm armed with my will, turning pain into power, climbing every hill. No fear in my heart, just fire in my soul. I'll rise like a phoenix, cause I'm chasing my goal.
That electrifying moment, Shubham taps into a wellspring of vulnerability. The audience's cheers affirm that his story is woven into a rich tradition of artistic expression. Shubham realizes he stands at the intersection of two powerful art forms, each a reflection of human experience.
You truly captured something tonight, Shubham. Your words spread life into your struggles.
Thank you, Mom. I never thought I could merge these two words. You helped me see the connections.
Art transcends boundaries. Our desires and expressions are limitless. Embrace that.
So, it's all about expressing what we feel. Like in hip hop, it's my way of saying what's on my mind.
Exactly. Every poet, every rapper channels their reality. It's the same essence of honesty, the same dance of words.
सफर में धूप तो होगी जो चल सको तो चलो सभी हैं भीड़ में तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो किसी के वास्ते राहें कहाँ बदलती हैं तुम अपने आप को खुद ही बदल सको तो चलो यहाँ किसी को कोई रास्ता नहीं देता मुझे गिरा के तुम संभल सको तो चलो कहीं नहीं कोई सूरज धुआं धुआं है फजा खुद अपने आप से बाहर निकल सको तो चलो यही है जिंदगी कुछ ख्वाब चंद उम्मीदें इन्हीं खिलौनों से तुम भी बहल सको तो चलो Through their evolving friendship, Snehal and Shubham uncover the profound truth that both the art forms serve as powerful vehicles for self-expression. Their struggles to understand one another's art lead them to a deeper appreciation for the human experience. As they realize, poetry is like rap, is rooted in the shared human condition, bridging gaps and fostering connection. In a world where expression takes myriad forms, let's celebrate the transformative power of art to connect us all. Through poetry or music, we find our voices, and in doing so, we inspire change, understanding, and a deeper appreciation of our shared humanity.